cool meat money maker. Depending on what you're giving, honey, I'll be the taker. You be the pepper and I'll be the shaker, and we're gonna shake it up tonight. Gonna tie up my shoes and grab another